To surgery or not to surgery, that's really what you're trying to figure out today. Because the bottom line is you got back pain, you want it fixed. Be careful what you ask for, because there's a lot of people out there that'll be happy to cut you open and put some hardware in. So if you've got back pain and you're trying to figure out what to do, you're probably gonna do what most people do. You're gonna hop on Google and you're gonna find several different kinds of specialists. You're not gonna know which one to see. So if you're looking for a back pain specialist, good news, you've actually just found a low back pain specialist here in Oklahoma City, and we also provide treatment in Tulsa, Oklahoma as well. But I can break it down to you like this. There are surgical specialists and non-surgical specialists. If you go see a surgical specialist, and you may not even realize that's what they are, they're gonna offer you surgery. That's how they make their living, that's where their focus is. Do not expect to walk in and get an answer that says, hey, good for you. I think you're gonna be able to avoid surgery. That's not why they went to school. That's not what they trained to do. On the other hand, you've got non-surgical specialists that are out there like myself that are trying to help you avoid that. Not only that, in our practice, we actually leverage the most advanced regenerative techniques that actually are even far above what's offered in traditional non-surgical treatments. For example, if I wanted surgery, then I would go see a surgeon. If I don't want to have surgery, then I'm going to go talk to a spine specialist, a low back pain specialist that would allow me to actually really exhaust all my options in terms of treatment. And maybe I don't have to have that surgery. Maybe I don't have to have a painful, potentially painful, aggressive procedure. I get this question so much, I should probably just post this video up outside my office before you walk in. Everyone wants to know, how can this be fixed? How can I get the permanent fix? Well, I have bad news for you. There is no easy permanent fix for most back problems. The reality is your back is different forever. From the moment it's injured and starts to have dysfunction, this is a big decision. This is something that can change and will change your body forever. And you really have to contemplate long and hard before you take that step. When you go and you actually have a surgical procedure, understand that they have to cut through tissue that is used to help stabilize your spine. It's part of the way that your spine stays together, functions as a unit. There's really no way around it. You have to damage that tissue to perform a surgery. So we always at Orthobiogen are seeking ways to have the lightest footprint and the least invasive technique that we can do to help your back problem without causing any damage to tissue. So I tell people, really, we have the same idea. It's just the matter of how we get to that end point. And I explain to patients that our goal is a 5 or 10% benefit here, a 20% benefit there, a 15% benefit in this other area. And all these areas of your spine can actually come together in a way that allow you to have a much better outcome than if we just try to go in and fix that one thing or inject that one medication. Surgeons do surgery, non-surgeons specialize in surgical alternatives. Who do you think is better at giving you a non-surgical solution for your problem? So get off of Google, come see me, and let's talk about your back pain and what regenerative options we have available to help you with your back problems. And that's it. That's why we're here. All right. Thank you. Peace.